forget about the world outside. Everything is okay. Our happiness has been eroded. Screw all that, we're getting loaded. B-E-E-R, everything is okay. B-E-E-R.
I still don't know how you play every game with a cigarette in your mouth and a Bud Light in your hand, but I think we've played over a dozen leagues together, and no one deserves this more than you do. Congratulations, welcome to the Hall of Fame. You are the best, and I love you.
Hi, Beehivers. I've been vocal before about who I think deserves the call to the Hall of Fame. See my side of this video. But I think this time Beehive got it right. Congrats, Chris. I've known Henry for 9 years. We started on a dodgeball team and we've been good friends ever since. We've had a lot of drunken adventures, from trips to Idaho, Lake Powell, and Windover. But most of our drunken nights from Big Willie's. Henry might be a chain-smoking, Bud Light, Red Bull drinking Cowboys fan, but he's a damn good guy. He's a hell of a chef, hell of a softball, and kickball pitcher, but most of all, he's a damn good friend. Congrats, Henry.
One.
You're a piece of shit.
Oh, you're our piece of shit.
Pussy.
We love you. Congratulations.
Congrats.
Congrats. Bud Lights and cigarettes for everyone.